Guys, in this video today, I've found a really cool tool that you can use, and I've created a method that you can use this cool little tool with, and this tool is for free, and I've created a method that will help you to be able to make some pretty good sales with this particular method and this free tool. In fact, there's two free tools that I'm going to show you in this video too, and you should be able to make some pretty good money with this. All right, so if this sounds interesting to you, let's go ahead and get started in on this right away. And what we want to do is we want to come up over here to this site right here, and we're just going to go on ahead and jump right on it here, guys. Now what we're going to do is we're going to create a Fiverr gig. This is a Fiverr method, and Fiverr is one of my favorite sites. It may be some of yours too. It's really a good site, and I've done a lot of work done for me on this site, and it's really good quality work. What you're going to do is we're going to create motion logos. You see what I've got right here typed in the search engine, and you see it brought this up right here, guys, on Fiverr. It's create motion logos. Logos are a big thing. People want logos for YouTube videos. They want it for their business online. They want it for their offline business. They want it, logos, motion logos for anything or any kind of a logo. But today we're going to deal with motion logos, logos that move, like just little video clips of their logos. And you can see that people are doing it here. There's only about 6,000 people that are doing this right now. So it's still a pretty good market, and it's not real saturated. And you can see right here, people says here, I'll create a sensational custom logo animation, and I will create an animated icon server Discord and motion graphics logo animation, create custom and unique logo animation for you, and it just goes on and on and on, guys. And you can see that people are making money. Like here's a person charging $10, and he's done, what we know of, he's done 227 of those. This could be thousands or hundreds more, right? This is only what we know because these people left reviews. And you can see their star rating, and all these people are making money doing this particular method right here that I'm going to show you how to do with two free tools that you can use. Now, what you want to do is you're going to want to create a gig here, right, guys? Just like you see right here. Well, if you don't have an account at Fiverr, you just want to click on join up here, and when you sign up, they will send you, actually you can click on join, and you can actually sign up with Facebook, Google, Apple, and or local account here, and either way they're going to be causing you to verify your account. They're going to send you an email and want you to verify that account. Okay, so when you get your account verified, come back to Fiverr, get logged in right here, sign in, and then you want to click right here where it says become a seller. All right, and you're going to look for one of these gigs under create motion logos. Look for one of these gigs right here and just sort of pick one that you like. I mean, pick one that kind of interests you. Right, and then for example, if we picked on just this one right here, for example, and you want to sort of model yours after theirs. Remember, you don't want to copy exactly what someone else has, but you want to model yours after theirs. Now you can see that some people, they have these pictures right here of these different things that they'll do for, animated logos. They even got it right here, and you can click on it and see it. See, that only lasts for about 4 seconds. Got a little animation to it there. Tool that I'm going to show you, you'll be able to create these and put these up on your gig to show people what you can do as also. And you can see that this person here is charging $10 for his. They don't have any other packages other than that 10, but you can create other packages. Now when you click on become a seller to set up your gig, it's going to walk you through about 6 different pages to set your gig up, and you're going to set your gig up similar to some of these others here. Just look at 2 or 3 of them and get an idea on how you want to set your gig up, and so on and so forth. But one thing you want to remember is once you get your gig set up, motion logos, you want to make sure that you have tags like these. So look at a couple of these other gigs and copy their tags. You're allowed 5 of them per gig that you create. All right, and then you want to put those tags on yours, because that's how people that are in Google and they're looking for something like this, yours will come up. And or even on Fiverr right here, it'll come up too when they type in those keywords into the search engine. Alrighty, so make sure that you do that, and then once you get your gig set up and you're happy with it and you got it set up about creating custom logo animations, what you want to do is when you get a customer, when somebody clicks here to continue and sets up an order with you, to do that, they will give you the parameters and how they want it to look or so what, and what they want it to be like, or the words they want on it, or any just one word. Maybe it's just one business word or something. But whatever, they will give you this information. Then what you want to do is you want to come over here to this particular site right here. But before we do that, I want to tell you guys, if this is your first time here to my videos, and this is your first time to my channel, anytime during this video, reach down below the video, click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click that little notification bell so that you get notified when I upload neat and cool little videos like this particular method right here, so that you get notified. All right. Also, and anytime during that video you feel like it, reach down there and crush that thumbs up button for me if you would too. Also, I appreciate it, guys. And also, if you want to share you're welcome to share this video with any of your friends or family members to show them this method and how they can make money as well. Or any of my videos, you're welcome to share any of them. Okay. All right. Well, that's out of the way. Let's go ahead and get back in here to what we're doing. You're going to come over here to this site after you get an order on your gig. You've created your gig. You've got an order from someone. You see, like this person right here has got one order in the queue waiting on them right now. So when you get your order, you're going to come over here to this site right here. Guys, it's right here. It's called, let me get back to the home page here. It's called Velocify. Look right up here in the address bar, guys. It's Velocify.com, Velosofy.com. What this site is a free video maker. You can resources to help you create videos and grow your branding. And all this is free to do. Now, they do have a paid version down here, but I mean, you don't even have to see it up here. I'll show it to you down here. But you can register right here. Click on register and sign up. It's just a local account. Now, they may send you an email confirmation. Make sure you get that done. Come back and get logged in. And then what you can do is you can create these videos on here with these templates. And all these are free templates. And I mean, if you just click on any one of these and you can see it, it's just a short, quick video animation. Although this one here is about two minutes long here, but you can make them as long as you want, and so on and so forth. These are free templates that you can use, guys. And this site, people can come over here and make any kind of video clip that they want. And you have free templates right here in all these categories. You can do intro, outros, banners, lower thirds, logos, wallpaper, thumbnail, and so on and so forth. You can create a lot of different video type clips with this site for free here, guys. So if we come down here where it says video maker, and if we click on learn more here, it comes over here and says, we're proud to announce the newest addition to the Velocify family, introducing Video Maker, a dead simple tool to create custom videos. So see, guys, you don't have to have any experience with Photoshop. You don't have to have any experience in any kind of video editing software or anything like that, guys. This right here is a simple tool that will just allow you to create stunning custom videos for your customers off of Fiverr, right? And then it talks a little bit more about it down here, and it comes down and they show here about pricing. And as I said, they have a free as well as a premium render. Now, the only difference about the free and the premium is the free one, once it gets rendered, guys, once you render your little video clip, it's going to have a watermark on it right there. You see that? Over here on the premium, there is no watermark. Okay, but now I don't even know how to even sign up for the premium unless when you get your video done, if you want it in high quality, because the premium is going to be in HD quality versus the lower quality right here. Maybe once you get it created, they will ask you if you want to purchase the higher quality. That's going to be entirely up to you, but it's not necessary. But yeah, it will have a watermark in here. So how do you get rid of that watermark, guys? Well, what you want to do is to get rid of a watermark, you want to come over here to this second free tool that you can use right here, guys. This site right here, look up here in the address bar, guys. It's called media.io/watermark-remover. Come over here to this site right here, guys, and you can upload it for free. They do have pricing here, guys, but if you look at the free plan, if you compare the free plan right here, 0 forever, 100 megabytes each, well, your little video clips for logo animation are not going to be even close to 100 megs. And you can see right down here, it's got the watermark remover at 100 megabytes of size of file each. In your little video clip, maybe it's going to be 30 seconds long or 15 seconds long. It's only going to be a small video clip. So you should be able to do this very easy. And just a watermark remover here takes it right off. So, and if we do come up here and come back here to watermark remover here, come back, I want to show you something here. Look at how easy this is right here. How to remove a watermark from video online. You see all the watermarks on this little example right here, guys? And if we just simply take this and drag this across, just like that, you see, guys, that it removes all those watermarks off of that video clip, and you see that it's completely clean there, just like that. It's just that easy. Upload your video, highlight the areas to remove the watermarks, and then simply download your new video without the watermarks. And then, guys, you just want to bring that thing back over here to your customer, and you give that video back to your customer, and you get paid. And then you want to offer some, if it needs to be redone again, can you offer 2 or 3 redos on it if they're not real happy with it? Just want to keep working with it till your customer's happy. You just give them that video back, and you get paid. It's just that simple to do. This is a nice, really cool little method that I came up with for you guys. When I saw this site right here, Velocify, I thought, now this is really cool right here. This is a really cool website that people can use and just use their creativity and make lots of money with these videos, particularly motion logo videos, and you can probably come up with many other ideas as well. Guys, that is the method that I had for you today. If you like that method, don't forget to reach down there and click that thumbs up button for me. Also, don't forget to share the video with your friends or family members so that they can find this really cool way to make money as well. And don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell. And if you have any comments, just leave them down below in the comment section, and I'll get back with you on that as soon as I can. And also, if you want to learn high-ticket affiliate marketing, I have a free video presentation down in the top of my description there. You just want to click down there where it says mentorwithkev.com. Come over and watch my free video presentation. It'll show you how you can learn to become a high-ticket affiliate marketer. And you can do that anytime you want. Alrighty, guys, I'm going to let you go with that. Enjoy this particular method. I hope you crush it with it. And I'll see you again here in a couple of days or so on the next exciting money-making video. You guys take care. Have an awesome day today. Bye-bye now.